Today we have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This vehicle was done just under 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. And on the right, we have our automatic headlights. Moving onto our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, media, radio, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.